Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. After you open the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices, right here. Select your Honor Band 3 from the list of devices. And now tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Select Unpair device. And then tap on Unpair. The smart band will disappear from the list of devices in the app. You can close the application now. We can also open the quick panel by swiping down twice from the top of the screen. Press and hold on the Bluetooth icon, and here we can tap on See All and check if we have the our band right here on the list. It should be called Honor Band 3 or something like that. If it is here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device again to confirm. But as you can see, in my case, it's not here, so we can simply close the settings. And at this point, the band is unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.